When I was harvesting the beets, I found this little guy. It's a ladybug larva. And right here is another ladybug larva that's actually transitioning into the adult form. And I think this process is called metamorphosis. Looks very cute, and it's helpful for the garden, so it's a good sign. And I'm gonna give you a closer look right here. I think this side, facing this way, that's the head. And this side, this way, is probably the tail. You can kind of see the upper part, it's like the larvae part, it's kind of peeling off. And the lower part is the bug itself.